Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS NQT today 21st March first shift exam analysis, complete detail analysis, coding question, what is the difficulty level, exam rules. In the video we will discuss about everything. Guys, all the videos are for all of you. I want your support. Just like and share the video, subscribe to our channel and apply for all opportunity. I am soon sharing all the coding questions for all of you so you guys can able to solve all the coding question. First of all, TCS today 21st March exam analysis shift is 9 am to 12:15 pm. Understand the location is related to the Hyderabad and Noida, Chennai. No section switching, question switching is there. No negative marking, section wise timer, rough paper allow. They are checking government ID proof, original ID and TETA based questions are there. First of all, understand the difficulty level. Numerical ability was a medium, include questions like profit loss. Verbal ability was quite lengthy. So in the today's first shift, the verbal ability section level is quite lengthy. Okay, that is mentioned by the candidates itself. Logical reasoning was also medium. Each section was having TETA based question. What does it means by TETA? TETA means type in, type answer. Okay, means they will give you one question. They will give you one question and it is not a MCQ. It is related that you have to type your answer. Okay, in the required question, that is called the TETA based question. No section switching is available, only question switch is available. Blank pages were provided on screen calculator. Seating arrangement questions are also there in linear and circular both. Understand one thing that in foundation section numerical and verbal is tough. I already said in the yesterday video that numerical, verbal ability, reasoning ability and the advanced quant and reasoning and advanced coding, ये advanced नाम का है because it is easy level. Company is using some tricks that they are giving hard in the numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability. So like here the cutoff will varies. So we have to understand one thing that you have to prepare very well for the numerical, verbal and reasoning ability because this is the first section and most probably if you solve more correct questions here, it is a chances that you will be shortlisted. They clearly mention advanced content reasoning is easy. I already said that they give hard numerical, verbal and reasoning. But if I'm talking about the advanced content reasoning, it is easy. Ratio, proportion, sentence correction, sentence completion, jumbling, fill in the blank, sentence and word, informal, formal email questions, syllogism, cause and effect and alphabet series. Profit loss, mean, time work, simple interest and compound interest. Thank you sir. Mensuration. These are the important topics that is asked in the today's TCS NQT examination. Practice the previous year question. Okay, there is a India Bix website where you will find everything that is related to this question. Okay, one thing here you can see that thank you bro, coding question is easy. And first of all we will see like this. Morning shift 9 am to 12, location is Bangalore, felt little difficult. Numerical 5 to 6 TCQ question, verbal easy to medium, reasoning easy to medium, advanced quant easy, type in type questions are there, that is theta. First question is easy, it is based on if else concept, like we have to print a total bill of grocery bought. So you can see grocery store discount in which we have to calculate the final bill of discount after applying the discount. Okay, and next coding is field difficult for me, it is based on array. So candidate shared actual question with us. Okay, the first coding question is a grocery store offering discount on bill, 5% discount on under 1000 rupees, 10% discounts on under 1000 to 5000, 15% discount on above 5000. After discount what is the total bill? It is a very easy, we have to use the if else condition. Second question is medium. King Martin is a waging war, his first strategy to place his army in consecutive order. N is total number of soldier required for army, n is equals to 4. This is a range 1 2 3 4. Order is always begin with 1 and end with n number. We have to find the possible way how we can arrange in his shoulder. N and R should be taken by us. Soldier with same number can be but not same as before after. It is a range related question. Understand. The second question is backtracking and recursion concept. Candidate also mentioned second was bit tricky related to recursion and backtracking. Aptitude was very lengthy. More questions are in mixed fraction type. One mensuration question related to sphere, cylinder, sum, TSA, Roshan, question ratio, got two dice question and one quadratic equation. I will come up with as soon as possible the coding question. Okay, so it will very helpful for all of you. And I know TCS next NQT April examination admit card is released. Okay, so this is about the today's video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.